This is the synthesis of zinc chloride lab. We're going to do this in two parts. This will be part one. And so there's a couple of blue questions. Well, actually just this blue question here that we'll answer today. Then we're going to let this set overnight and we'll answer the other questions tomorrow. And you'll need to do 12 through 17 as well. This is what goes in your comp book. We're only going to do, if you were in class doing this, every group had a different number of pieces of zinc. We're only going to do 7 pieces of zinc today. Okay, so we'll write the numbers for this, but you'll need to copy all of that in, and we'll get the other information from other people. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is measure out the mass of zinc. So I've got 7 pieces of zinc. I know it's not 100, it's not 10 either, so looks to me, and we'll put it over here so you can see it as well, that it's about, if you get down real close to it, a little over 2.4. I'm going to call it 2.41. So we're going to write that right here under mass of zinc used, 2.41. And then the rest of this data table we will fill out on the next part after we let this set overnight. So I've got 5 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid in this test tube. We're going to put that very carefully into the test tube. And then we're going to add the 7 pieces of zinc. I'm just going to put them all in there together into that test tube. And you can see very quickly that a reaction starts taking place. And so the only blue question we're going to answer today, it says, what's the gas given off in the reaction? So I'm going to put my thumb over this, and I'm going to try to capture some of the gas. And we're going to see if we can figure out what type of gas it is. We demonstrated last semester that oxygen gas, when you have oxygen gas, it'll relight a wood splint. When you have carbon dioxide gas, it'll put out a flame. And so let's see what hydrogen gas does. So if I light this match and hold it over the end of this test tube, okay, you get really a mini explosion is what you get, because the hydrogen gas burns very, very quickly to form water. So the only blue question we're going to answer today, what's the gas given off in the reaction? That's hydrogen gas. And so tomorrow we'll come back and fill out the rest of this table and answer the rest of the blue questions.